doing a bit of work, as you can probably tell. Just up in beer garden today. I found some old fencing at the back of one of the greenhouses that I decided to cut down to make like a border, and then we're digging in a few extra plants around where we put that T-Rex the other day. I'll show you what we've got done so far. So that's that fencing that I found, but it was too high, so I've sawn all tops off it. So I'll make a nice little border around there. That's the other piece, and you can see top cut wood's a bit rotten anyway, so we're cutting them down to the same length so we can stick a border across here. And it's got a bit of chicken wire attached to it as well, so we're going to clip that back, and then we're going to plant some clematis at the bottom to grow up that fence. And we've stuck a few bulbs on this tree, solar powered ones, look pretty cool at night when they light up and they flash different colours as well, so thought we'd have them on there. Then we've dug out around this tree. The tree's basically dead, so we've took all branches off at top, and then we've dug around the base of it and we've put in a couple of clematis to grow up it. We're going to add a couple more as well. Then this is where we put that T-Rex plant a few days ago, so we've dug border out a bit more. We've planted in a little fir tree in there, a couple of perennial plants, and this castor oil plant as well, just to get a little bit of something. And we're going to work our way up that fence until we've filled this with flowers. And then we brought his kale up, which has now gone into full flower, but still looks pretty cool. So we're going to leave that up here. So at the moment we're getting quite a few bits and bobs done while the weather's fine, and tomorrow we'll get this fencing finished and see what else we can do as well. So that was just a quick update to show you what we've been doing this bank holiday up in the beer garden area, and it's slow work, but we're getting there a little bit at a time, amongst other things that we have to do with the hoop tunnel, the container garden and all things like that. We're still starting to plant things up outside, and we're just fitting that in when we can. So we'll keep you posted on that. And if you want to see what else we do, just hit the subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and when I put another video on, you'll know all about it. So now I think bank holiday, it's cooled down a little bit, so I want to nip back up there with a nice cold one, and I'll see you all at next video. You all take care.